Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the treasures of nutrition for a healthier lifestyle. Today we're shining a spotlight on sesame seeds, the hidden gem of nutrition. Sesame seeds may be small, but they are mighty when it comes to their nutritional value. These tiny seeds have been used in culinary traditions around the world for thousands of years, and for good reason. They're packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Let's start by discussing the nutritional profile of sesame seeds. These little powerhouses are rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the standout features of sesame seeds is their high content of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are known for their heart-healthy benefits, including reducing LDL cholesterol levels and lowering the risk of heart disease. Sesame seeds are also a good source of protein, with about 5 grams per ounce. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, as well as for keeping you feeling full and satisfied between meals. Another popular way to enjoy sesame seeds is by using tahini, which is a paste made from ground sesame seeds. Tahini is a staple ingredient in Middle Eastern cuisine and is used in dishes like hummus, baba ganoush, and tahini sauce. Tahini is not only delicious, but it's also incredibly nutritious. It's rich in healthy fats, protein, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. You can use tahini as a spread for toast, a dip for vegetables, or a sauce for salads or grain bowls. Sesame seeds can also be used to add a crunchy texture and nutty flavor to savory dishes. Try coating tofu or fish in sesame seeds before baking or frying for a delicious and nutritious meal. You can also sprinkle sesame seeds on top of stir-fries, roasted vegetables, or noodle dishes for added flavor and crunch. If you're looking for a healthy and convenient snack, why not try making sesame seed energy bites? Simply mix sesame seeds with dates, nuts, and your favorite flavorings like cocoa powder or vanilla extract. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate until firm. These energy bites are perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings while providing a nutritious boost of energy. Sesame seeds can also be used to make a delicious and flavorful salad dressing. Simply blend sesame seeds with olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger until smooth and creamy. Drizzle it over your favorite salad for a burst of flavor and nutrition. And let's not forget about adding sesame seeds to your morning smoothie. These little seeds can add a creamy texture and nutty flavor to your favorite smoothie recipe, while also providing a boost of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. So there you have it, folks, the hidden gem of nutrition that is sesame seeds. Whether you're sprinkling them on top of your favorite dishes, blending them into sauces and dressings, or using them to make energy bites or smoothies, sesame seeds are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.